Hi everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be cooking a very simple meal out of my pickup truck. I don't really know what I'm going to cook. I'm here at the grocery store right now, so we shall see. But overall, it's going to be a very simple meal, nutritious and delicious. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, everyone, heading to my spot right now, to the park. Gonna bust out my little stove, start cooking some lunch. I had to run to this ghetto Walmart. I didn't have enough water. The only water I had was this little bottle, and I didn't think it was gonna be enough. So, had to get some water. I wanna show you guys something real quick. This is what you want to see, guys. Now, if you plan on buying the gallons, they're usually on the bottom. Now, they're probably a little bit more expensive. You know, you don't have to do it all the time. This damn thing. Right there. BPA free. Always look for that. All right, guys, I just arrived at my spot. Just want to show you guys something. Check out that cool camper. That's the one I was actually going to get right there. The 4-wheel camper. I believe that's the Hawk model or the Fleet. Pretty cool. There's this guy right here. Living the nomad life out of a SUV. That's pretty cool. So I've decided to make ramen for lunch. Ramen came out to $6.49. Little pricey, but you get what you pay for. You see, you get 4 little chunks. Only 2 ingredients. Organic brown rice flour, organic millet flour. Like I said, you get what you pay for. Organic. Now, the spices were kind of pricey as well. The parsley was $3.34, and the chicken seasoning was $2.99. But they'll last a long time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the reason why I got this, I was gonna get like garlic, salt, pepper, and all that good stuff, but this little chicken one comes with it all overall. Dehydrated garlic, dehydrated onion, sea salt, spices, dehydrated orange peel, dehydrated green bell pepper. So it's got really the main ones that I wanted: garlic, sea salt, and onion. I did want pepper. I should have got pepper, man. But we'll do what we got. And For a snack, I got these. It's got some mixed nuts in there. Cranberries, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, cashews. And yeah, that'll be lunch. So I'm here at the park right now. I'm gonna jog a lap, get some blood flowing, and then I'm gonna cook some lunch. I'm not really that hungry. That's why I'm gonna jog. Yeah. What do you guys think? Should I get one? That is cool. I love my topper because it's light, but those things are just cool, man. All right. Okay guys, we're gonna start cooking now. I'm gonna start by cutting some scallions or green onions. Where'd my knife go? Oh. All right. I love scallions. My grandpa's brother that lives in New Mexico, he has these growing like weeds all over his house. He pretty much owns like a mountain, and these things grow like weeds all around it. I like the other onions too, the red onions, white onions. But you cut those things, man, you start tearing up like crazy. These, you'll get a little tear, but not as bad as a red onion or a white onion. Doesn't have to be the best. As you can see, I'm no chef. I don't even know what I'm making, to be honest. I haven't made these noodles for like years. So hopefully this turns out pretty good. You know, I don't care to be a good chef. I just care to, you know, to make a healthy, nutritious, decent meal that's somewhat tasty. You know, I think this will be somewhat tasty. But those herbs, can't go wrong with those herbs. And some good noodles. Any run away? Yeah, I got one little one. What matters is that you cook, guys. It's crazy nowadays how the majority of Americans don't even have time to cook. They pretty much just eat out all the time, DoorDash. You know, if you're gonna eat out, I'd say go to like Sprouts or Whole Foods. I believe they have like a salad bar. You know, you can make your own salads, your own meats on it, cheese and fruits and vegetable bowls, all that good stuff. You see, that's healthy eating out, but majority of Americans, okay, I'm starting to tear now. You know, they eat Taco Bell. You know, Taco Bell's not that bad, but Wendy's, Chinese food, McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? You gotta cook some more, guys. You gotta conserve, save some money, eat more healthy, whole foods. You know, back in the 18th century, you know, they cooked every day, pretty much. I love this YouTube channel called Townsend's. He always inspires me to cook. Check him out. Subscribe to him. If you guys watch my channel, you guys got to subscribe to Townsend's. Every time I watch a video of his, it relaxes me. It just fills me with good energy. And highly recommend him. Okay. It's time for a cleanup now. Now, I'm just going to wipe this with a tissue that I have back here. That I keep back here. I pretty much just use this knife to cook green onions. No, I don't do much cooking in my truck. I only lived in my truck for a little bit. Then my grandpa got sick. And I'm currently taking care of him. He's doing pretty good now. You know, for how much he parties. And his age. But yeah, thought I'd put some content on my channel. All right, so I got my green onions. Good to go. Guys will go right there. There we are. Cool. Right. Man, I can't do nothing in these gloves. There we are. All right, just had some water in there right now. Let's put those noodles in there. Well, I'm gonna wait for it to boil. All right, so while I wait on that, let's get it open. My stuff organized first. You know what? I gotta take a thumbnail. Gotta get those views. All right, these are the only ingredients I'm using. Some green onions and H2O. Water's almost done. Alright, I've got some water boiling now. Let's add the noodles. I'm gonna add 2 of them. Should I wait on the green onions? Oh, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Let them soften up a little bit, and I'll add some spices and the scallions. They smell really good. It's starting to get nice and soft now. I think I added too much water though. Oh, I could always pour some out. Oh man, this steam feels so good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pour some water out later. I think I could add my green onions in now. Oh man, this smells so good. Alright, maybe just a little bit more of this. There we go. That should do. Looking good. we're about done here. Drain some of his water now. Just a little bit. There you go. That should do. I was kind of aiming for like cup of noodles, but a healthier version. So let's get in the front and eat this. I'm just gonna set this for now. All this crap. Take my food. Take you guys. Shit. Let me sit you guys right there for a sec. Alright, I need a fork. Spoon and fork. Let's go in the front. Alright guys, let's give this a try. Just set you guys right there. That'll do. Okay. Woo! Now I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It smells good. But man, it's cold out and it's much needed on a day like this. Woo! It's hot. Woo! It's a little too hot. Wait a little bit for it to cool down. I'm gonna try the broth. It's good. It's a little plain. You could probably add like MSG, what they use in cup of noodles, that chicken powder stuff, whatever, to make it taste really good. But this is the healthier version. You know what I'm saying? It's good. Oh man, this heat feels so good. I needed some pepper, definitely. But yeah, that chicken powder stuff that you put in cup of noodles, or I don't know, maybe some chicken in here, or cut boiled egg. Like I said, a little plain, but it'll do. You know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna put a little bit more spice in it. Needs a little bit more salt and all that good stuff. Ugh. Shit. Nose can't stop running. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. They're pretty fun to do. So let's add a little bit more of this. Maybe it'll kick it up a bit. Oh yeah, that smells good. Okay. Let's see if that'll do. Like I said, I never made these noodles before. I've eaten them. My mom made them for me a while, and it's been a while since I've cooked them and actually wanted to make something delicious, you know. Big difference. That's some good shit. Let's add some more. Okay. All right, let's not go crazy with it. You guys want to see it? Just gotta mix it up now. Those green onions, man. Whew. Fire. Can't go wrong with green onions. This overall is pretty good. It's really good. Recommend it. I'm just giving you guys a little example, some tips. You know, if you could cook it in the truck, in the back of a tailgate, you could cook it anywhere. Well, you could get snazzy, snooty with it. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Use a generous amount of this stuff, guys. Poultry grilling seasoning. Yeah, that really helped. At first I was like, you know what, I have some cookies in the back, maybe I'll just eat that. But now, whew, made it from bland to spicy and yummy. Anyway, I'm gonna be enjoying this. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. The videos come to an end. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. And leave a comment. I appreciate those who comment the most. Like, share, trying to bump up my channel. I'm gonna start doing a lot more videos like these. Hopefully they bump up my subscriber count. And hopefully I could do this for a living. You know, a side hustle. That'd be great. That'll be my dream. I thank you guys. Hope you guys all have a great day. Love you all. All right, soup was delicious. I am now gonna snack on a couple bags of these. It's gonna be my dessert slash snack. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of in the mood for Fig Newtons, but I need to go get some more. So I'm gonna snack on a couple of those. All right, it's cleanup time. All right, gonna do some dishes now. Okay, these are all my dirty dishes. This is not dirty. That's what's cool about this little stove is it's a bowl too, you know, so you don't have to wash the stove and the bowl, and you know, you just wash this little thing and you're good to go. And my spatula. This isn't dirty. I didn't use this. Did I? No. Okay. Oh man, I don't have any soap. I ran out of soap. How am I gonna do this? Yeah. Never mind, guys. My grandpa ran out of soap at his house, so I took mine and refilled all his, you know, the sink soap and laundry soap. You know, because I use this soap for everything, Dr. Bonner's. So looks like I'm not gonna wash this. I'll just wait till I get to my grandpa's. All right.